Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer meatloaf. This meatloaf is not just crazy delicious and juicy, but it's also so much faster to cook with your favorite appliance. Once you try this, you'll never go back to the old baking method. I've arranged all my ingredients on the countertop, and I will start by finely chopping the onion and parsley. Make sure you place the ground beef in a bowl large enough to fit all the ingredients. So to the bowl with the meat, we'll add the chopped onion, parsley, panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, and Cheddar cheese. Pour the milk and crack the eggs in. Next, add the garlic and Worcestershire sauce. Then season with a generous pinch of salt and ground pepper. Using a wooden spoon, thoroughly stir to combine. Now, with your wet hands, shape the meat mixture into a meatloaf that fits the air fryer basket diagonally. Carefully transfer the meatloaf into the air fryer basket. Don't preheat the air fryer before cooking, because you'll need to keep shaping the meatloaf inside the basket. Air fry for 28 to 30 minutes. To a small bowl, we'll add the ketchup, sriracha sauce and honey. Whisk well to combine into a flavorful glaze. When the meatloaf is about 2 minutes to finish cooking, brush it with the glaze. The meatloaf has cooled for a few minutes, and I'll slice it to show you just how juicy it is. That was it for today, foodies! For the full recipe plus tips and tricks, just click the link below. And for weekly updates, like, share and subscribe.